we can make this whey protein at home also, or do we need to take the supplements only?
Yeah, so it's a very important question because you see, the dietary supplements available in the market, there was a study, and then it was found that the study was done in 12 countries,
Okay.
and it was found that the commercially available whey proteins in they were adulterated up to 28%.
Oh, that's a great number.
Yeah, up to 28% by those substances which are harmful to the person who is consuming it. What are those substances? So that those were anabolic steroids and other cardiovascular damaging things which a person did not know they were consuming when they were consuming that whey protein. So when this study was done and this was found, people thought of started making whey protein in their own household also, because it is very easy to make. So once you've taken the curds off, you have the liquid, and there comes a desiccator in the market also, which makes the protein powder, whey protein powder, or you can do it on your own stove.
Wow.
You can always do it.
It's a really great info, but I'm sure there must be many companies providing standardized, purified, and quality kind of protein supplements also.
I
So,
hope
but I'm
so.
shocked that the number of adulteration is so
Yes, it
high.
was a shocking news to everyone.
Okay, so I think viewers have to find out the quality of the protein supplement they are taking, the company which is providing the. There are a lot of websites available which can tell you about the purity of the protein supplement you are taking. If you find it difficult to make it on your own, you rely on the quality products. So here we have seen, and we have Dr. Preeti has told us about uh, the effect of protein supplements in hair loss patient. If you are susceptible, then the chances with all these protein supplements will be higher that your testosterone will get converted into 5-DHT more, and your hair loss can get exacerbated, especially if you are taking in very high amounts. If you have any questions about this topic, please do feel free to mention in the comment section below, or to call us on the numbers given in the link, so that if you have any specified or your personalized questions, we will try to answer that also. And this was a very informative topic and discussion. Thank you, Dr. Preeti, for this. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you so much.